Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Chennai Cook. Today I'm going to show you a very special masala that I use for fish fry. For this I've taken 1 tablespoon each of chana dal, fennel seeds, cumin seeds and peppercorns. I've added this to a blender and I'm going to blend this to a coarse powder. Now your powder looks like this, set it aside. So now let's see how to marinate the fish. I've taken all the masalas needed and some freshly washed and cut fish. You can take any fish of your sort. Now for the masala, I've taken 3 tablespoons of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste and 2 tablespoons of our freshly ground masala. I'm mixing this with water and making it into a paste. Make sure there are no lumps in the paste. Mix this well. Take the fish pieces one by one and coat it with the masala, and don't forget to coat it with the masala on the sides also. Now all the fish is coated with the masala. I'm going to marinate this in the fridge for at least half an hour. In a hot tawa, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of oil to shallow fry the fish. I'm placing the marinated fish pieces one by one. You can see that I've taken thick slices of fish, so it takes a bit longer to cook. If you wish, you can take thin slices also and reduce the cooking time. Flip the fish on each side and don't forget to cook it on the side also. Now your delicious fish fry is ready. I assure you guys this is going to be very tasty. Make sure you try it at home and comment in the comment section below. So see you in the next video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.